It's Roger, Mudfossil University today, lung in hand. You see all these little passages through there? That's where the blood passed through all those different crystals, which are the different colored crystals that are in your lungs that transfer and make the particles coming through your lungs in the blood, they turn them into carbonic acid so you can exhale them. And that is a lung from some gigantic creature that is virtually the same as this situation here. Now that is in Australia. This one is in my hand. That one is big. Now this one here is a complete lung. You can see all the little crystals. You see the different crystals. Now those are all different colors. And it depends on how it solidifies. This is not obviously, well, I don't think it's a human lung, but it could be from a tiny human. It's just things now are not what we had ever expected. So it goes from the tiniest of tiny up to the biggest of biggest. And these lungs are just like this. And when they erode, in certain circumstances, all those holes that you see there filled with colors, those transition metals are no longer in this one. It is leached into almost scaffolding. So this is what we're seeing here. And the Rainbow River down in South America, I believe it's in Colombia, it might be Bolivia, it is the same effect. And when the water runs over it, you see all these different colors of pools in the Rainbow River. So, these are lungs from giant creatures. Now, I'm not exactly, this is in Australia somewhere, and someone sent this to me, and I can't remember who it was and exactly where it is, but I'm sure somebody will have something to say about it. Alright, this is it right here. This is Colombia's Rainbow River, and every one of these pools is like you just saw in that place in Australia, and they all have different colored bacteria that lives in amongst that different chemistry. That's why it's these rainbow colors. They say, well, it's because of the bacteria. Yes, that bacteria thrives on certain transition metals. That's why we have them in our body. And that's why we need these transition metals to create all these different colors in our body. The same ones that created the different colors in this little bitty lung. There they are. Those are the holes in the lung. The earth was alive at one time. Giant creatures everywhere. Just a fact. Mudfossil University, Colors of Life.